Hello, my name is Alexander Vidicke. Today I'd like to show you how you can use our new component, the graphomate shared data source, which enables you to load a data source only once and then share it to all of our components. So this will speed up your workflow. Okay, first of all, of course, this is my little demo dashboard. One thing that is important, you need to have kind of a dummy data source connected to your components, because otherwise the SAC won't be able to save your dashboard. So I've got a little data source which has only one measure in one dimension. That's it. Then you'll go to custom widgets, select the graphomate shared data source, which by the way is free for all of our existing clients. Free to use, you can download it from your release desk. So yeah, you add it to your dashboard and then it says select the data model. Over here you can see I already selected the data model, and then over here you can already see the advantage of the shared data source is you can use the standard SAC data selection menu where you can select measures. Let's say we select these 4 and add a few dimensions. Let's say country and region and category, and maybe order date, because this is a hierarchy. And then you can use the SAC filters with your data source, where you can then say, I only want one of the order date members. I don't want all of the order dates in my from my data source, but I only want the year 2019, let's say. There you go, you have it filtered. So afterwards, all you need to do is select your component, go to the Data tab and switch to Shared Data Source. And there you select Data Source 1. And because I already did this, it remembers the data selection I already did. And same here. Go to Shared Data Source. Say yes, this one. Only these 2 measures I want. There you go. Ah, okay. I know. This is because I included order date. All right. There you are. And this is how you connect your shared data source. So I hope you enjoy this new component. Again, this is free for all of our existing clients. Just download it from your release desk and enjoy. All right, bye.